Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust RAM speed. First, you'll need to restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. This is usually done by pressing a specific key like Delete, F2, or F10 during startup. Once inside, navigate to the Memory or Overclocking section to find your RAM settings. We'll explore how to enable XMP or dock profiles for optimal performance. Once you're in the BIOS or UEFI, look for a section often labeled AI Tweaker, Extreme Tweaker, or Overclocking. Within this area, you should find an option for DRAM frequency or memory profile. Here, you can select the XMP or dock profile that matches your RAM's advertised speed. This automatically configures the correct voltage and timings. If XMP or dock isn't available or you prefer more control, you can manually adjust the DRAM frequency. Start by selecting a speed slightly higher than the default. You might also need to fine-tune memory timings, such as CAS latency. Remember to increase DRAM voltage in very small steps, like 0.05 volts, to maintain system stability and prevent damage. After making any changes, save and exit the BIOS/UEFI. Your computer will restart. It's crucial to run a memory stability test, like MEMTest86, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter instability, such as crashes or blue screens, return to the BIOS and revert to the previous stable settings or try a slightly lower speed. Always prioritize system stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.